Good morning, student. Here we will see what is FMEA. FMEA means failure mode effective analysis. Previous lecture we will see the learning objectives and outline of and basic cycles of FMEA. It is recognize and evaluation potential failure and its effect. Identify will reduce that effect and chances of failure less. Document analysis is finding. Then properly definition is product failure mode effective analysis. That means which process we have used for documentation and recognize, then evaluation of potential failure. Then it is affect each potential failure, that is identify the risk. That identify potential process cause identify process variables for focus on controls. Then we will take control plan for identify actions to eliminate or reduces the chance of failure, assuring that is mitigate risk. Then history of FMEA failure mode effective analysis. First year we will used 1960 aerospace industry during the Apollo missions. Then 1970 we have used different automobile industry for driven by liability cost of FMEA. Then 1974 Navy developed we have used regarding the FMEA. Later automotive industry saw the advantages of using these tools to reduce the risk and related the poor quality. Then different FMEA conducting motivational process for why he have used FMEA for increasing our productivity and reducing the design fault. Improve by discovering the unanticipated failures. Highlight that impact of the failures potentially helpful for legal actions. Provide method characterize the product safety from different required, for example FDA and DOD procedure. Then we have used FMEA for any line management. So we have seen common mistake when used, confusion between cause and effect, too few causes identified, lack of repeatability and risk assessment. FMEA moderator for night before a customer, for example visit and audit initial sample presentations. Action not relevant or not validated. Detection assessment too low for a visual inspection. Changing the severity index after action on the process. Confusion between design and process and machine failure mode effective analysis. Then different emphasis points for severity assurance detection for ranking tables. That point improved ranking tables from more meaningful to real world analysis and usage. Role of management and its sentence for resources and monitoring. Incorrect implementation for reliability and root process number for evaluation of risk priority and improvement action. That is also called as RPN from risk priority numbers and root priority numbers. And improvement the understanding of the role from FMEA process through APQP phases for different phases during improvement of production and document necessary for approval. Then limitations of process failure mode effective analysis from can't eliminate all human errors, only single event initiators of the problem identified. Then examination of external influences limited and results are dependent on the quality of input. Then main two assumption of process failure mode effective analysis. You have to assume material is to spec and you have to assume design is robust. That is different limitations of product failure mode effective analysis.